Your social media is either pulling in your ideal customers or it's sending them right past you. Today, I'm going to give you 5 powerful updates that you can make in less than 5 minutes to turn your bio into a client magnet. First, let's talk about your profile picture. Your profile picture is the first thing that people see, and if it's blurry, outdated, or blends into the background, you're losing trust before they even get to read your bio. So, if you're a local business, you've got two main options: your face or your logo. If it's a photo of you, make sure it's clear, high quality, and it stands out against the background. If it's your logo, make sure if it's clearly into a circle. That might mean using just a symbol or the initials of your business instead of your full wide logo, because those long logos shrink down to an unreadable blur in that teeny tiny little profile circle. So adjust it so it's crisp, clear, and instantly recognizable. Next, we're going to make sure that our name is searchable. On most platforms, your name field is searchable. So if yours just says John Smith with no context, you are invisible in search. The solution is to add what you do and your location if it's relevant. For example, John Smith slash HVAC Pro in Tampa, or Bright Smiles Dental, Austin, Texas. Make it easy for the right people to find you. Next, let's nail your who you help and how you help. Bios that just say full service marketing or family owned plumbing don't give people a reason to follow or book with you. Your bio should tell someone instantly what you're the right fit for them and how, without sounding like you're a personal tagline. How you're going to do this is to use a simple, company friendly fill in the blank formula I've created for you: a verb ending in ing, who you serve, doing what, to what result. So, an example of this is going to be helping busy families keep their homes sparkling clean to save time and stress. Or supporting Brighton small businesses, getting found online to book more customers. Or even consider guiding local families to protect their smiles to boost confidence every day. This keeps it short, specific, and focused on the value your business delivers. Next, let's add a very clear call to action. Next, let's add a clear call to action. Your bio isn't just there to look nice, it's there to move people to the next step. If your bio ends without telling people exactly what to do next, you're leaving potential customers hanging. And for local service providers, that could be the difference between them calling you or your competitor. How you're going to do this is decide the single most important action you want someone to take. Then spell it out. That could be booking an appointment, downloading a free guide, or requesting a quote. Avoid vague phrases like check out our website and instead use something specific and benefit driven. For example, book your free consultation today. Download our free social media strategy map, which, by the way, you can totally do down in the description below. Call now for same day service. A little pro tip for you is to keep it to one main call to action in your bio. Too many options can overwhelm people and then they'll do nothing. Save additional links for your link tool or a landing page, but let your bio focus on the one action that drives the biggest results for your business. Next, we went to link strategically. Your bio link is prime real estate. It's often the only clickable link that you get on your platform. So, sending people to your generic homepage without a clear next step is like inviting them to your store, but not telling them where to go once they're inside. Most will leave without taking any action. So, link to one focused destination where people can immediately take the next step with you, whether that's booking a service, grabbing a free resource, or filling out a contact form. So, for example, this could be local service provider, link directly to your request a quote page, a dentist or a spa, link to your online booking page, marketing agency, link to a lead magnet like the social media strategy map that we have below. A little pro tip for you: link in bio tools like Linktree can be helpful if you want to share multiple links, but try to keep them very simple to 3 or 4 links max. The more choices someone has, the more likely they are to click nothing at all. And if you use a tool, make sure that the top link matches the call to action in your bio so it seems seamless. These 5 updates will instantly make your bio work harder for you, pulling in the right people and getting them to take action. And this is just one part of building a social media presence that's actually going to drive leads for you. If you want the next steps, grab my free social media strategy map that I talked about in the video with the link down the video below. And I'll show you exactly what to post, where to post, and how to make it all work really well together for you to get you results. Now that you have a fully optimized profile, now you need to make sure that you have a social media strategy that can help to drive traffic to where you want to go to that updated profile. So go watch this video I have for you right here to get on that right now.